my god, yo! Bah, bah, bah! Yo! Hi, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'll be going to Sweden. What's up, Sweden? So can you guys grant me access to hear what KAJ have to give us today? Please. Can you all hear me out for once before y'all throw me out of your country? So I'm a distant traveler. I'm traveling from Jamaica to various parts of the world to learn about new artists, what they're capable of, and the culture, the music, the heritage, everything. Right? So I'm just a person who's just loving music, and I want to learn about a lot of music different from my country's diaspora of music. So to be honest with y'all, I'm here just for KAJ. And if I could be able to venture off into some other music apart from KAJ's music, then you all know, accept me and subscribe. Alright, so people, today we're gonna react to Bara, Bada, Bastu. This is actually my first time hearing of KAJ. So with this being said, can we all go together and enjoy this show? One question: do anyone who is watching this video knows our Jamaican legend Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comments. And with that being said, peace.
Klockan slår, nu är det dags.
Okay, so that is called an accordion, right? That guy is literally good at playing the accordion. Whoa, I love that instrumental, bro. I love that instrumental.
Tyvärr försvinner strax. Bästa båt för kropp och själ. 4 väggar i träpanel. Vedinvå värmer lika bra som tango med Arja Saijonmaa.
1, 2, 3 sauna.
Vi ska vara bastu, bastu. Hångorna på släppan stress idag. Bastubröder är vi som glöder 100 grader noja. Bara bastu, bastu.
Oh my god! Okay! Bah! 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 Flames! 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 Beautiful! Beautiful! I mean, like, when they combine together, when they harmonize together, their voice gets even more powerful, bro. Damn, I love this! I love this! Oh my god!
Hejta på så släpp din bara yr. Oh, oh, oh. Bara bastu, jo. Vi ska vara bastu, bastu. Hångorna på släppan stress idag. Bastubröder är vi som glöder 100 grader noja. Bara bastu, bastu. Hejta på så släpp din bara yr. Oh, oh, oh. Bara bastu, jo.
Sauna. Sauna.
Ja, just ja. Häll på vattno med rongono. Tick, tick, tack, hur länge orkar du? 90 grader.
Oh my god! Yes! Yes! This is the music I've needed from today, bro. Today my entire day wasn't it, but this music made my entire night completed, bro. Sweet music, bro. I mean, like, whoa. Whoa. Such great energetic performance. The dances are so great. Oh my god, yo, the performance is lit. Back up, back up, back up. Ah! Yes, bro. Yes, KAJ. Yes. Keep it up, my bro. Keep it up, man. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's cut it because I love this, bro.
nästan där. Perkele, Eva på värman jää. Steitin lakkar, ja.
1, 2, 3 saunaa.
Vi ska bara bastu, bastu, ångan upp och släpp all stress idag. Bastubröder är vi som glöder 100 grader noja. Bara bastu, bastu, hejta på så släpp din bara ut. Bara bastu, jo. Bara bastu, bara bastu, bara bastu, bara bastu, bara bastu, bara bastu.
Ei saa heittää.
Vi ska bara bastu.
Oh my god, yo! Bah, bah, bah! Yo! Damn, bro! What a beautiful music! Yo, I'm enjoying this so much, bro. It's like I'm there in the actual crowd. Yeah, I'm here. This is the power of the music. This is what we need, bro. Music with life. Dog. Yo, what a beautiful song, bro. Damn.
Bastu, ångan upp och släpp all stress idag. Bastubröder är vi som glöder 100 grader noja. Bara bastu, bastu, hejta på så släpp din bara in. Bara bastu, jo. Bara bastu, bara bastu, bara bastu, bara bastu, bara bastu, bara bastu.
Outlandish. I felt every bit of that performance. I felt every bit of that movement in this show, bro. Wow. I gotta say, bro, extraordinary performance. Very good. I gotta say, bro, that was really entertainment, man. Damn, KAJ, you've done well. You guys have done very well, and I enjoyed. But guess what? If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to subscribe, leave a like, and smash a share button as well. Share this to anyone you feel pleased to. And make sure that KAJ saw this reaction because, I'm just a Jamaican. And I'm really loving music. So thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video.